Alright, so this is the field extraction example straight from the toolkit showcase. When configuring the toolkit, I generated some error logs, so let's take a look and see together. First, we filter by our internal index, and then any machine learning SPL error events that might have occurred. We will table our time field and our raw field, and finish off with a stats command to collapse multiple lines into one row and put the raw events into a single multi-value field. Now, we do this because we're not asking the model per event. What we want to do is give it a small sample size for it to learn the shape of these logs. Now, as we can see, the logs are a little confusing at first glance, so maybe we want to extract some important fields and send them externally to a ticketing system. We will do this with our AI command. So I will paste in the AI command and we'll see that we pipe directly to AI and specify the prompt. In this case, please help me identify the key fields in these log events and write some SPL ready regex for extracting these fields. We then see that we specify the raw field in brackets, signifying that this is the field that we will be sending externally for the LLM to read. We will now go ahead and run our search, noting that it does add significant runtime, adding an LLM search to your search time. Once our search is completed, we'll see two things in the output. A plain English description of the fields it found, in this case, timestamp, process ID, command, provider, model, etc., and some regex suggestions for extracting them. In this case, it generated a complete rex command ready to paste for us to use to extract some key fields. Once we have the field names and a first draft pattern, the next step would be in a real workflow to harden it or to paste it into a better cleaned up rex pattern. But for this showcase, our point is, here's how we can quickly identify fields and parse without having to leave search. Now, why is this useful? Let's say we are facing a messy source type. The slowest part would be deciding what we want to capture and how necessarily these lines would vary. This example offloads that discovery and keeps us directly within SPL. Gives us some starting regex, and we can paste it directly and see that it works to extract the fields that we are looking to extract.